We've seen Hollywood glamorize people who are doing day trading and getting lots of money in a short amount of time.
At the end of the week, my brokerage account contained over $2 million.
As well as high stakes gamblers.
A straight flush. Monsieur Pond wins.
But no one ever talks about the beauty that is buying and holding for the long term, being slow and steady, and that's investing. In this video today, we're going to get into the real benefits of gambling versus trading versus investing. I'm Afro Senpai, and I'm interested in all things related to the average person like you and me building their wealth. Let's go. What is investing? Investing is the process of putting your money into an asset, much like one of the 4 pillars of wealth, holding it with the goal of growing your money for the long term. In my opinion, safe investments from each pillar include VOO from stocks, Bitcoin from Bitcoin, intellectual property for business, and buying and house hacking quadplexes for real estate. The pros of investing are it's building wealth for the long term, it's building wealth slowly but steadily, it's taking advantage of compound interest, historically reliable over time, and way less stressful with very little time commitment. The cons of investing are requiring patience. In the short term, the volatility can scare people. And in this day and age of instant gratification, you have to have delayed gratification with investing. Investing is like planting a tree. You're not going to dig it up and check to see if it's growing every single week. You set it and forget it, and 10-20 years later, you can relax in its shade in the form of financial security. Next, we have day trading, looking at candles and patterns and trying to see what the best entry point is for a stock that's trading perhaps under value. So we're buying low and hopefully the stock fluctuates in price and then we sell high, collecting some juicy profits. If you're interested in day trading, it makes the most sense to buy a course from somebody so you can learn about how to read candles and identify patterns within prices. The pros of day trading are potential fast profits, thrill and excitement. Cons of day trading, high risk of loss. It's emotionally and mentally exhausting, and it's very easy to confuse luck with skill. And if we're being 100, studies show that 90% of day traders lose consistently. Yes, you might be up 7,000 one day, and then you're thinking, oh man, I'm the shot, I'm about to do this again, and then you lose 20K. Speaking from experience. What is gambling? Gambling is betting on an outcome that you cannot control. Casinos, lottery, sports betting, it's all just hoping your wealth increases, but there is no set strategy. Pros of gambling, instant results, whether you're winning or losing, but it is pretty entertaining. Cons of gambling, the odds are typically against you, especially at a casino.
And may the odds be
never
in your favor.
It's highly addictive. There is no long-term strategy for growth. The emotional roller coasters you're on can affect your judgment. So here's a quick snapshot of everything we talked about today. So in a nutshell, investing is based off of value and long-term time horizons. Day trading is based off of price and short-term time horizons. And gambling is based off of chance and emotion. So if you're a wealth builder and you're truly interested in long-term wealth creation and growth, that's investing all day. If you love charts and have discipline and you're okay with losing money initially, you may want to check out day trading. And if you're truly interested in gambling, treat it like a game instead of a wealth building strategy. So while I'm not saying investing is the best thing that you can do for yourself, even though it is, what I'm saying is the bulk of your money needs to be in a safe vehicle for fluctuation. If you want to be in all three, think about allocating money accordingly. 70% going to investing, 20% going to day trading, and 10% going to gambling. So for instance, if you've got $1,000 to play with, you're doing $700 into the 4 pillars of wealth, $200 into day trading, $100 into gambling. My son kicked me out of his room. With inflation running rampant, investing is a no-brainer. It's becoming a prerequisite for maintaining financial sanity in adulthood. So please, please, please keep the majority of your wealth safe. If you're watching, you're a part of my family, and I want my family to prosper. So let me know in the comments, are you team investing, day trading, gambling, or do you do some sort of mix? This is a judgment-free zone. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to pay that like tax. Share this with somebody who's into gambling and you're into investing or day trading, and you want them to see the value in other vehicles for growing their wealth. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful.
Peace.